Hey guys, it's Shannon from everydaybest.com. I have a really fun craft here. So find anything you find spooky. It could be family friendly like these eyes, or it could be something super ghouly or ghostly. Next, you're gonna print that out in black and white. Put it aside. I went to the dollar store and found some frames and some mirrors, and these were actually 2 for $1, so super cheap. Put those aside. Once you have your images, I picked a spider, someone in a mask, and some eyes for mine. You're gonna cover them with tape. And I like the packing tape because it's a little wider and a little thicker. And you're gonna really press down, making sure that your copied image is adhering to your tape really well. Cut that image out with your tape still on the front and the back just plain paper. And you're gonna submerge it in a bowl of water. And almost immediately you're gonna see that image start to curl up, and that's the water starting to go into the paper and break it down. And what you want is for that paper to soften up and sort of get to a pulp state where you can kind of gently smudge it with your finger and that paper will flake off into the water. And just gently, you're gonna go ahead and do that to the entire image. What's so magical about this craft, in my opinion, is that when you do it in black and white, only the dark ink is going to remain on the tape. Anything on the image that was white is actually not going to be there at all. And it leaves the image a really neat, translucent, kind of spooky look. So you can see here, I've worked off almost all of that paper. I will give it a little rinse before I adhere it to my project. And another fun thing to know about this is that actually once you rinse your tape off, it still is going to be sticky. You can put it directly on a mirror, directly on a frame or glass, a vase, whatever you'd like, and it will stick. Obviously, if you want it to stay for a long time, you might consider using Mod Podge, but you'll be surprised how sticky images are on the tape for a long time to come. Secondly, I'm going to just show you this other image. So here are some eyes I did, and I cut them out, did the packing tape, put them in the water. You can see that I'm just pulling off that paper. It's very easy. It's a super fun thing for kids to do. They really like working that paper off. And you can see that they actually come pretty translucent. One tip is if you want your mirrors to look kind of old and matte, you can spray them with hairspray and it will make it so that they aren't quite as reflective, and that can be fun for a spooky look as well. I hope this is a fun craft for you and your family. For more information and exactly what I used, go to everydaybest.com.